Thank you so much, Stephanie. They look good, too. Flooding last weekend in Floresville, leaving people in one area of town fed up. They say nothing is being done to develop or fix the drainage system to help keep water out of their neighborhoods. Eric Hernandez spoke with city officials today to learn more about what is being done to fix the problem.
Last Saturday night, this was Goliad Street.
Oh my God. And the water's still coming down.
Water rushing down the road and residents having to be evacuated. Lisa Limon, who lives a street down from Goliad, also had to deal with the flooding.
It looked like a river back there.
Lisa goes on to tell us that she has complained to Floresville City Council numerous times, but she says nothing ever gets resolved.
It's been a problem for many years, but nobody does anything about it. I used to attend the meetings, but I don't anymore. For what? I mean, you know, it's useless.
The area where these neighborhoods are located are about a mile away from the San Antonio River and is a known flood zone. Now, this is Goliad Street where the water was seen rushing down. Some neighbors here say it looked like a river. There's still debris around fencing around this road. Now, what we want to know today, will the city be doing anything in the future to help with drainage in this area?
It is a low-lying area, and that's a naturally low-lying area. And like I said, maybe creating a berm like there was in the past, and maybe look at some retention ponds further upstream. While
the city works on those possible solutions, residents like Lisa are left having to clean up the mess left behind and hope another big rainstorm is not in the near future. Erica Hernandez, KSAT 12 News.